call and you're like, where is everybody? Why can I only see like 6 people or 20 people? Why can I only see a certain limited number of people on my screen? Where did everybody go? It says there are over 200 people on this call, but I'm only seeing what's directly on my screen. Gallery view exists if you want to see every person on your call. This is a great way to take a group photo of everybody waving. This is your opportunity to do that. Gallery view is great if you have 49 people or less. If you have more than that, you'll have multiple pages that you'll need to scroll through to see everybody. As you can tell, I'm filming this part a couple of actually weeks later than what you first saw. This is my daughter. I wanted to pop in and just explain how to see gallery view on your phone, and it does have limitations, unfortunately. So on your phone, unfortunately, you can only see 4 participants on a Zoom call at a time. So gallery view is helpful if you only have 4 people on your call. More than 4, you'll have to scroll through the pages to see everybody else. But I just wanted to pop in and let you know because I know a lot of you do Zoom on your phone, but really gallery view is best if you are on your desktop. So how do you find gallery view? Once you've downloaded the Zoom app onto your desktop, open a Zoom meeting or join a meeting. In the top right corner, click Gallery View. If the Zoom meeting has 49 or less people, all participants will be displayed on a single page in a grid form. This is called Gallery View. If there are more than 49 people on the Zoom call, they will be displayed on additional pages. Scroll to the other pages by clicking the left and right arrows, and you will see all of the people on the Zoom call. If you hover over the gallery view, if you're looking at the gallery view, you will notice that it will switch between the active speaker view and the gallery view. So if you are done and you don't want to see all of the 49 people on your Zoom call, you can switch back easily to the active speaker view. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe because I will have some more tutorials like this coming out in the week. Simple, quick and easy tutorials on Zoom. My name is Shawn and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!